Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today it is a personal shopper day. Amazon Prime has a personal shopper option. It costs $4.99 a month for them to style you based on your style profile. They send you a preview. You get to choose, I want to say it's 8 items based on what they send you. They do send you a nice little style note in your preview. And in the preview, one of the things that I really like is they will send you like a specific item, say a pair of jeans, and then they will say, we recommend you pair it with, then they might add a jacket, a shirt, and a different pair of shoes, or jewelry, or hats, or whatever. So I like that. I think that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about this particular shopper experience, because I am, as you guys know, working towards finding clothing for my New York City trip. Now, traditionally, I've been a little upset with Amazon and their personal shopper because items just seem to be too expensive. But I feel like these items are a pretty good price range. I'm excited about the items that my person has chosen this time. So everything is going to be individually packaged. So these two came separately. And then I have a box here as well. Each one will have a separate label as well. So I'm going to dig into these and get them hung up so that we can look at them really quick. And then I will do the try on. All right, so everything is out of the package. Instead of hanging things up right now, I decided to go ahead and give you guys my first impressions. So we have a pair of pleather leggings. You guys know I have been looking for some leggings. I have not purchased any up to this point. We have a cute little black crossbody purse. I did ask in my style note for a crossbody purse just because these are very convenient. I do wear crossbodies. This one's very cute. It's very soft. It's just one pocket. Not sure I'm a fan of that. I do like to have a place to slide my phone on the outside, so we'll see. We have a fuzzy cozy, like Sherpa type zip up jacket. Very comfortable, similar to the color that I'm wearing. We have an olive green, if I remember right, this is a jumpsuit. So look at that, cute, cute. It is more of a wider leg, very cute. It is belted, elastic around the waist, yes. So very cute, I like that color. We have a bright pink, looks like a turtleneck, like a cowl neck type of top here. This is lighter weight than what I thought it was going to be. You can almost see through it there. It's like a waffle knit, and it looks like it is a high-low. These would be very cute. It looks like it's going to be very big and very comfortable, so I like that idea. We have a pair of jeans. These are by Jag. These have some elastic in the waist, but they are a button fly. I like these as well. No distressing. I like that. Let's see, it looks like we have 2 more items. Then we have a emerald green type of sweater. This is more of a turtleneck sweater, but if I recall, yes, it does have an open shoulder look there on one side. It's kind of that velvety type of material. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of that, but I like the color. And then we have the last item. We have a black moto jacket. Very traditional moto jacket, zippers, all that good stuff. So I'm going to hang some stuff up, try some stuff on, and see if we find some items that we love. Okay, so here we are with outfit number 1. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Very comfortable. So the top is not as heavy as what I thought it was going to be. It's very comfortable, very lightweight. It is like a waffle knit type of material. You do have a drop sleeve there, a little bit wider here, very wide here. I mean, it's really almost a little bit too big, but it's meant to be oversized. It is a high-low. It's got the slit here on the sides. It does a great job of covering everything here with the leggings. It does have a cowl neck type of neckline. You can see that there. So let me get a little closer so you can see the knit a little bit. So you see that? Cute, right? All right, so this is a very pretty color. It's bright pink, a hot pink, very fun, very vibrant. So I kind of like it. Look pretty with silver or gold, like a long necklace here. All right, so let's talk about the leggings. The leggings are also very comfortable. I'll pan down here so you can see those a little bit better. So let's talk about the leggings. As you guys know, I have been looking for a pair of faux leather leggings or coated black pants. These are actually very cute and very comfortable. They fit nicely. They do have a wider band up here at the top. They are more of a shiny, which I'm fine with. They're comfortable. I mean, you can move in them. You guys know how I do. I do the dance. And you can't, doesn't make a whole lot of bad noise. So that's good. So let's see the bum. How's it look? I haven't even looked, so hopefully it looks good. All right, so what do you guys think of this outfit? I kind of like it. I think it's cute. All right, let's try the next item. All right, so Amazon is kind of surprising me this time. Makes me a little nervous that I might want to keep everything. Got to pick and choose. So look at this pretty green sweater. So I feel like this looks a little Christmassy, more holiday-ish, which I'm okay with, but I think that I would probably only gravitate towards it during the holidays just because it's that velvety material and the color that it is. So I like both though. I mean, it's very comfortable. I feel like it fits me nicely. The turtleneck is not too tight. We do have one cold shoulder here. The other shoulder is covered. And I know that that's kind of like the new trend, like the cold shoulder has gone out, but yet sometimes like a little sliver of skin is showing somewhere. So I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that trend. What do you guys think? Do you like that look? Just gives it a little bit of skin, some sexiness out there. I don't know. So anyway, again, very pretty. It is more of a velvety type of material. It's like an emerald green. Let's look at the back. So I feel like it fits me nicely. Of course, I don't know what the price is either. Then we have the jeans. These are the Jag jeans, and I'm going to pan down so you can see those. So these are nice too. So I feel like these are a good fit. They're a pull-on, but have a button fly look here. They do have 4 working pockets, it looks like. They're comfortable. I like the wash. I can move in them so far. They're not falling down, so that is definitely a plus. They come down to the ankles. Would look cute cuffed. I don't feel like they're too tight around my calves, which is historically a problem for me. I have a pair of cut from the cloth that are a little bit tight around the calves. These are not. So let's see what you think. I think these are nice too. Gosh, Amazon, you may have done good this time. I may have counted you out too soon. All right, let's see what else we have. Okay, next 2 items. So I love the collar of the jacket. It is very soft, very fuzzy. It's warm. Has pockets here. It is a zipper closure, and it does actually zip all the way on me. It does get caught just because of the fuzzies in there, but it does zip all the way for me, and it looks okay. Doesn't look too tight. The sleeves are a good length. I feel like it looks good. Not sure if I need it. That is the question. It is very neutral, would go with everything. Very casual. It does have a higher collar here if you wanted to, I don't know, I guess you could zip up and then just kind of pull it down like that. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. I'm not sure about the pockets right here. I think I would prefer the pockets here on the side. But I do like this look, this Sherpa type. I didn't think that I would, but I do kind of like it. All right, so let's talk about the jumpsuit. So I had high hopes for the jumpsuit, but I don't think it's going to work. I do like the collar. I like the V-neck. I like that the bra straps are covered. Everything is covered underneath the arms. It does have an elastic waistband, and then you have this belt here as well. I do not feel like it's flattering in the crotch area. I feel like it doesn't feel like it's riding up, but it looks like it's riding up there. The back is not tight, but it looks a little clingy. So this is an ankle length. It would look really cute with booties, but I just don't think it's a look for me. So I'm going to pan down and then I'll do a turnaround for you so that you can see the back. There you can see the length. It's very comfortable. I just don't think it looks all that flattering. So I am going to try on the purse and the black jacket while I'm wearing this so that we can get an idea of what those look like. So I'll be right back. All right, so here we have the black moto jacket. It is completely zipped. It does feel a little snug with it being zipped. I wouldn't wear it this way anyway, but I wanted to try it to see if it would close, and it does indeed close. The sleeves are a good length. It's a good weight. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light. I like where it hits here at the waist. It does have zippers here on the inside of each arm. You've got the buttons here, the zipper detail here, and then you have zipper pockets. So it is cute. So what do you think? I like this too. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. Amazon. All right, let's look at the purse. All right, so here we have the purse. It is a simple black purse. It does have the chain detail here in the front and in the back. It is adjustable. It looks like it does not have slots. It just has a slide. So you can make it as long or as short as you like. I like it a little bit longer. That's probably about where I would wear it. So very cute. It is more of like a triangle look there at the bottom. Has the cute little chevron detail and then a cute little tassel. It is just one big pocket. There is one zipper pocket inside and a pocket inside. So very cute. I mean, it would serve the purpose, especially if I'm wearing a jacket that has pockets. I would put my phone in that and then just my purse and my wallet, Metro card, things like that in the purse. It's cute. I don't know if I like how that feels. All right, let's do the wrap up. We have the loose fit pink sweater. This is $26.99. Very good price, very comfortable. I'm gonna look back at the footage to see if I was in love with this or not. I felt like it was very comfortable and it looked cute with the leggings. So we'll see. And then we have the Pretty Garden oversized coat jacket. And this is $36.99. Again, very pretty, just not sure that that's something that I need. Then we have the green velvet sweater. It is $23.99, very good price. I did like it, I like the fit. I'm just not sure about that one shoulder, that cold shoulder. Let me know what you guys think about that. For $23.99, I mean, even if I only wore it a couple times over the holiday season, I think that that's still, I mean, that's a good price, $23.99. All right, so then we have the Levi's jacket. It is $60.10. Again, for this type of jacket, I feel like that's a pretty good price. If I don't consider this now, I may put it on my Christmas list. I do think I would get a lot of use out of this. It's very versatile and it's very comfortable. It's not too stiff. It's very soft. Then we have the crossbody purse. Again, very cute. I'm just not sure that I love it. It is $45. A little bit more expensive than what I would want to spend. And then we have the jumpsuit, which is going to be a no. It is $59.90. And let me point out too, I forgot to point this out, it does have a snap right here at the V-neck there to keep everything in there, which is very important. And then we have the Leatherette legging with wide comfort waistband, and they are $21. So here is the question. Did they look cheap when I tried them on? I mean, I want them to look cute. I don't expect them to last forever for $21, but I mean, would they last me the season without looking cheap? I mean, do they look like a Commando or a Spanx type of legging? Let me know what you guys think. I love hearing from you guys. I love getting your feedback. I thought that this was a pretty good Amazon personal shopper this time. The last couple times I haven't been impressed. So I'm very pleased with the prices. I'm pleased with the items that they styled for me. I feel like these items are very much in my style wheelhouse. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys had experience with Amazon's personal shopper? And if so, what has it been like? So I love hearing from you guys. Please leave your comments down below. Like, subscribe, share, all the good things. And I will see you guys the next time. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.